Channel. So I'm going to be doing dyeing and bleaching series, and I'm going to be dyeing a couple of hairs. I'm also going to be dyeing and revamping some old wigs. So today we are going to revive this dead wig. This wig has been with me for so long, it's so dead, and I've decided to revamp it. As you can see, it's been really used and worn out. So let's try and see if we can put a different color and make it come out looking nice. The most important thing is changing the colors and making it look as nice as possible. So I'm thinking something blonde. Anyways, let's go right into the video. So the first thing you're going to be needing to dye your hair or dye your wig is basically a bowl. Set the wig aside. You're going to be needing a bowl, something to mix in. You're going to be needing a brush, something to mix it with. You're also going to be needing another brush, something to apply it with. You're going to need a brush because you need to brush your wig. So that's what you're going to need this for. That's aside. Then you're gonna use your powder, and in this case I'm using the True Light Rapid Blue Powder Bleach. This is pretty popular on YouTube, and this is how it came. It was ordered on Amazon. And the cream peroxide 30 volume here. So I'm gonna be using this as well. So you're also going to be needing a glove. So you need something to basically put your hands in, and you're going to need a rag or a shirt that you've used a couple of times with dyeing. You're also going to be needing a foil, something to wrap the hair in when you are done. And the last thing you're going to be needing is a dark bean bag or black nylon, whatever. A developer and powder works perfectly well on a very dark surface. All right, people, let's go right into the video. So the first thing we're going to be doing is brushing our wig.
In the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
Oh, and this is very important. You need that. Then we're going to go in with our True Zone. Then you're just going to go in with your cream developer. And this one is the cream peroxide.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun.
If you start with a very watery one and you had to add the powder, it would really not be nice. So I would say that you start with putting a little bit of the peroxide and then work your way up to how thick or how thin you want it to be.
Let's go back to when trees were sown, kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Okay people, so the hard part is over. As you can see, I've applied everything onto the hair apart from the top parts, which is slightly applied. Now I have a reason for that, and I'm going to tell you that in a minute. The next thing you're going to do is place it in a foil and wrap it around and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that is depending on how you want the color to lift. Now the reason why I left the top part is because I wanted to try something different, like an ombre kind of look, brown / burgundy look. That's depending on how it sets when it's dried.
Okay guys, so I'm back and it's been
10 minutes, not even up to 15 minutes,
but the color has been lifted to the way I want it. So now I want to go and rinse all of this out, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look.
I won't be showing you guys the washing session, so I just want to tell you guys what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the fabric softener, comfort fabric softener actually, just to make it soft, because when you lift a wig, it's definitely going to be a lot harder. So I'm going to be using this fabric softener to make it a bit soft, and I will be right back just to show you how it looks. Okay my lovelies, so this is the wig. It's been washed out, rinsed out, the fabric softener has been added to the water, and it basically looks so nice. I love it. I wanted to actually lift it and then color it to the color of my choice, but I think I love this color. You know, when a wig has been lifted and is wet, you won't really see the color. So I'm just gonna let this air dry overnight, and I'll come back tomorrow with my full makeup done to show you the final look. See you guys tomorrow.
So voila guys, this is the final look, and this is how the hair turned out. I for one was a little bit surprised because the ombre part, I didn't want it to actually bleach, so I did the bleach all the way like you've seen in the video, and then the ombre part I just kind of left it that way. So I was thinking you can totally create a brown look from bleach and peroxide, you know, just put it in, take it right off, and you get this color. I love the way it turned out. I love the creativity, and I want to hear from you guys what you think about what I've done with this old scanty bob wig. It looks so good. I won't lie to you guys, it looks so good. I'm super impressed with myself. That being said, I'm gonna be coming out with lots of dyeing videos. Like, I'm gonna be coming out with so many videos on dyeing and different ways that you can experiment with the peroxide and the bleach, even dyeing synthetic hair. Stick to this channel and I'm going to be showing you lots of things. So, you know, stick with me and you will definitely see what's up. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you haven't seen any of my videos before, be sure to look right after this video, as I'm gonna be leaving a link. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell, so whenever I post a video, you, my darling, will be the first to know. In the meantime guys, don't forget to drink lots of water, moisturize, keep your skin glowing, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.